It's a green light, so I'm on go. Let them G-boys so much out in the crowd, they had to throw 'em. Real trench, baby, my life ain't been the same since I got old. Consequences, I had to pay the life I lived, took a great toll. Learn to get shit on my own. They say with age come wisdom, but I got a mind like I've been old. Never thought about raising children, but she got me thinking I could though. I should though, but I would though. I don't know shit, who knows? Nuzzle. Retaliation is a must, without it ain't no peace. Burn you like open cuts, but he won't live to feel these. Gotta switch it up a notch, can't live this life for eternity. Real Glenn again, nigga focused on nothing but the green. Them blue hundreds and peak 50s, love them, put them in between. On the road I'm locked in, couple bag of good trees. I'ma get it on my own, don't need a nigga to sell these. Refuse to die with my chrome, looking around on every blink.
My shit over there.
In the black car, tryna walk without one shoe fuck. Steady pace around the race, but when I catch you, shoot fuck. Walk the race, won't be tolerated for what you heard, what you saw, for what you know, what think you do. Just keep that shit up in the vault. Outstanding, like I had caught through the walls. Seven fingers already planted, already tryna do more. Nigga shit ain't Titanic, ain't tryna be like them boys. I'm a quick think, won't panic, already know what I'm doing it for. It's a green light, so I'm on go. Let them G-boys so much, I didn't know when they had to do it. Real shit, baby, my life ain't been the same since I got old. Consequences, I had to pay the life I lived, took a great toll.
Why don't take your shit to car shoes, man?
They say with age
take your shit to car show.
Like I've been old. Never thought about raising kids, but she
they don't give a fuck for every Hellcats with no doors on that. You think they give a fuck about this?
My shit cracked.
Y'all fuck with Lil Gwee shit, man. Leave it down in the comments if y'all fuck with Lil Gwee BMW, bro. We go homework on Lil Gwee BMW, bro. Gotta clean it up sometime.
What a dirty dog.
Alright. When we leave that bag, I gotta hit the gas. We gotta go to Wawa's, bro.
Come right now.
Nah. For real? Right now? Alright, come on. Alright, we finna head to 7-Eleven. Get some gas or shit. We finna head to 7-Eleven, get some gas. Then we finna go to the car wash.
I love the game, I love the hustle. Learn came up in the streets, learn how to sound.
He gonna hit my car, bro. This dude cannot drive. Alright, boom, we putting gas in and shit. I got gas and shit. What? Well, that bitch came out. Yeah, you fought that bitch over?
That shit
You
tripping.
fought that bitch on?
Yeah, let me see that bitch.
Don't drop my shit.
That bitch recording? What's up, YouTube? How they be doing that bitch?
You gotta put it water.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Devin. I'm back again with another video. Today, we gonna be going around the world in Tampa, Florida. You know what the fuck going on. It's your boy Lil Gwee, and I'm out this bitch. That's a whole lot of editing and shit.
Nah, I ain't editing nothing. This bitch finna be raw. Oh, yeah. Alright, so I'ma follow you, bro. Don't go too fast, bro. You lost me the first time, fam. Alright, I'm finna record on me. Man, tell me how I just smoked this nigga, bro. I just smoked this nigga, bro. That shit is crazy, man. Ain't gonna cap. I know he feeling played too, cause I just smoked him. I just smoked this man in a fucking, like, y'all can see this man reflection in a camera, bro. Y'all can't even see it, bro. That's what it's supposed to be. Bro, your shit, the fucking jack couldn't even fit up in your shit. You wanna lower that?
Nah, cause my tire was flat.
Cause I feel like you should just rap the whole thing Matt Black, bro.
Shoot up your killer,
No, like
shoot up
the whole
your
thing.
killers,
Yeah, the car, yeah, I ain't want to go off.
just up and aim and let it rock.
You don't like Matt?
I got a fan to talk down.
Niggas shoot suspect and
Matt,
from me,
bro,
dick
you
riding
can
on a
see how
nigga
dirty
like
that shit is.
so I've been trying to live right. Catch me loafing to do me bad.
He like,
Type of shit
nah,
I
it look pretty. Matt, nigga can see every watermark on your shit. Hey, my shit found out. I need some fucking ice.
I'm the man, put it on my mama sister.
They want straight.
Money comes and money goes. Make sure you always get you something. Really been flagging on the low and hit the stool like all month. Niggas be flagging with these hoes all in your pockets. Ain't never fuck. Out my pockets a bankroll and fun, but
Yeah,
I
they straight. They straight on the other side.
I think I got a leak in this.
A
hole?
He left him hanging looking dumb.
What's up? Jump my daddy prank, bro.
Hanging looking dumb.
My daddy print right now. Big fit.
That bit fit? Oh yeah.
Look at my rim.
That's another one right there. That bit broke though, I think.
Bro,
Shit.
that been squished.
Shit, try it though. You might
Look
need
at
that.
my rim. My rim.
How many of them bitches you need? You need 4?
3 more. Oh, look.
Oh yeah. Hold on.
Leaving that shit out this bitch.
Oh yeah, that bitch fit too.
Nah, and that bitch.
Nah, I am right now. And it's a big shout out to this sorry ass school that they call King. This is King High School right here. Hold on, fuck it. Show you. King High School right here. They in school right now, bro. King High School. That's all I want to do. I just want to give a shout out to King and shit. You feel me? I kind of miss that school, bro. That shit was fun as fuck my freshman year, bro. Like, if it was any school that's where they want to go to, bro, they'll say King, bro. Or King, or Armwood, or fucking Hillsboro. One of them cool ass schools, but not no more, bro. King is just garbage, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, like. You can't change my mind about that. But yeah, we head back to the car wash. Boy, they don't take no damn cash. That's what I'm POV. Oh. He think he can get away from the Heltima, bro. Do homework on the Heltima, fam. Do homework on the Heltima, bro. I ain't gonna lie, his car sound hard as shit. No, I ain't see that. Yeah, this man is tripping. Oh no, yeah, your shit is an M6. I was trying to tell the vlog, your shit an M6, bro. I thought I was wrong, dude. Yeah, bro got an M6. Yeah, I think they can hear you, bro.
Just David Miss Pergolene.
Damn, well. Look, cars, look, Katie. Get my shit right. Only thing I need a vacuum. I don't got my shit straight, bro. I'm straight. I'm straight. Y'all can't even see. What time is it, bro? Damn.
Why you got a vape in the center console type shit? What I be doing then? What we be doing then? Why your shit don't zoom out? Like Nigga, that's in. Zoom out, like 0.5 type shit. Why my shit booming like that? Nigga don't know how to park. This nigga is ass. He look free shit. What the fuck? Come through a truck, news flash, nigga got head up. 12-11 on Lil Rock, bro, fuck me up. Posted in that right till the sun come up. Fully game from the switch, your ass can't duck. Me 10 blowing 4 trying to come up. Folks left start trapping as soon as you wake up.
He look like, I thought he was gonna say, what's up, bro? You want the water?
Run them back up, run them bucks up. Keep on scoring T out a lot. I'ma keep on shooting, yeah, better duck. She see this cash, she wanna fuck. She tryna play me like I'm a duck. Shit getting crazy.
Get over here.
Somebody gon' die, ain't gon' for nothing. You don't know what I'm buying, ain't no one. Stop all that flag, you don't get shit. You ain't got no bullshit. Take a risk, ain't legit. This little blitz, we up these fuckers. We don't miss. I miss my sis, they got me pissed. You fuck my guy, jump out the whip. I buy key shot on my thunder clip. I finna fuck nigga on the truck. Lay now on the road, scored on 2 sticks. Keep shooting like these, I'm off my hip. Trapping like Z4, part off his zip. If you ain't gang, your whole get flood. He tryna fish, I bet the hook. My life a movement, fuck a book. I'm shooting aim, hop out with flame. I feel my nigga for that to change.
Huh? Yeah.
Everybody, all y'all just on
He got like 50K subscribers.
I know he just like that.
You want us to show you, bitch? Show him, buddy. 50K. He don't believe you, bitch. He think we whooping, bitch.
Shit back here.
Nigga said artificial. Cause it's bubbling, bro.
Yeah, and it's purple. It's purple. If your shit turn purple over time, it's some low quality shit. That's why I'm trying to get that ceramic shit. Nigga can't see in your shit. But you can see out your shit.
No death, man.
Why you got what's the name of your shit?
What?
AirTag. Why you got AirTag in your
Alright, look, bro. How you finna end the vlog off, man?
Still vlogging, nigga?
We gon' post another video sometime.
Fuck you not, nigga. I'm finna get a camera.
Tell them when you get your camera, bro.
I'm gonna get my camera when I go out of state. I'm gonna go to college in South Carolina real quick for like a semester and shit. See what it is, cause they paying the nigga and shit. Whoever paying, I'm there, know what I'm saying? What I be doing there?
Alright, y'all, we finna be back with another.
Yeah, how many hoes y'all think I hit in these parts?
I'm starting to think she work at Hoodo, hit the cut, ain't stuck. I'm trying to fuck up all his guts with these, and know we hit him up. Gang, bell out the cut, Brody got shit me and they all through the 3. We hit the roll like where you been, taking out just for the free. That's a game like hopping, not 24 shots, but out on me and bottom. Brody 23, I'll put your mama on the T. No little 7, get right shit. I can't forget about 8-3. He did a BN, got to down just for a squeeze. We hit the cut G23, we trying to see what niggas be. You'll think a nigga sit where I keep posting, that's on me, Mally, my nigga sandbox. Like what the fuck you say to me? I got a cable, got a knob, but they had let us off the leash. If my nigga said smoke, you get copy paste delete and you get sent off. We in the field, no cornerback, the way we get you picked off. My nigga just like heart and step back and send that hit off. I can't go out just like easy, but I hit the one little bit off. Then the little one big got a twin. It ain't none of y'all fucking, so I might just hit a friend. If you don't get it, you a ducking. Now I'm tapping my own kin. I know some hoes for the niggas. Fuck, I look like need a friend. It just me myself now, but you gon' die, you come through that. I'ma flip around and ride with the bird. I got my hand. I been itching for a body. Grab a ride, man. I see them boys, let's go do it. Get up on it, turn the beam on. I'm trying to leave them clueless, man. I'm 7 bang balls. I thought you already knew it. All I'm telling nobody out. She got the car, they got me hot. But it's flying like a hawk. He trying to hit me off the bone. I say, baby, you gotta stop. You niggas beefing over hoes like all the guys in the top. Pot the lot, we in the car, I'm hanging out like what a ox. He try to run me off and down. The king gon' make him hit the ground for baby J. Gon' make him cry.
So I got to crash, man. Yep. The crash, man. Ain't too much, though. Front bumper, I hope it's all the way through. I forgot forgot what this piece, this center console piece is, but they didn't that in the whole drawer here. Straight me all the way to the back of my car, to the back bumper. Yep. Yeah.